Right, let's go. Busy day today. Everything's outside work. I think I got 4 jobs I gotta do, so let's buckle up and see how things go. Okay, I'm on my way to job number 1. I just texted the customer and let her know I am on my way. Look at this old guy. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Strange looking spigot, huh? Anyways, just gonna get this in, take some screens out. Kind of feel a little sad. She didn't remember who I was, but I came last time about 6 months ago. I guess she didn't come out. She wasn't home. But I'm just gonna get things set up here. Get the water fed pole hooked up. This will be an easy clean. I gotta skip the screens today because she's gonna get them all repaired. Let's go. I got all the screens out. Ready to turn on the water, grab the water fed pole. You want to stop the water from flowing? Pinch. Look at that. Need a little more slack? Pinch. 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 And then I'm gonna let that wood kind of air dry a little bit, but I'm gonna come back and just make sure that there's no spots or dirtiness or that it's still damp when I'm leaving. I'm gonna wipe it off if I have to. Artillery fungus here. See those little dots? They're on there real bad. I've had to use a razor blade before, but these are just a couple months in the making. They'll come right off with a fingernail. So I'm just gonna get a quick walk around and double check everything, make sure it's in good shape. This door is looking really good, no spots, nothing. It's drying off well. I don't even have to touch it. So I'm just gonna leave that floor mat back where it goes. Get back to checking. I'll talk to her about the screens in just a minute. I gotta count those up and give her a price for repairing all the screens. Okay, so we're gonna be repairing 10 screens here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. I'm just picking them up in order. And I'm going to grab both the good ones and the bad ones. Look at that, it's completely falling apart. Corner's completely messed up. Folks, that is a way to make some extra money. Fill in your slow times with little side things like screen repairs. Gotta make sure I close this gate for her. Give it a tug. All right, and we're golden. So she was asking if I could put gutter guards just up in that area there and a couple sections in the front where there's missing pieces. And so I talked to her, said I could do that. But I also showed her that the guards that are up there now have that 1/2 inch gap, and all those oak leaves are going right through and causing issues even in the front. So quickly she decided she wanted to go ahead and get new gutter guards on the whole thing. So gotta make sure you stay hydrated, folks. That job's wrapped up. We're scheduled to install gutter guards on our house in another week and a half. That's gonna be about $2,500 total ticket once everything's all said and done. So yeah, I gotta get those gutter guards ordered. It'll cost you about $600 or so, maybe $700, $800 in materials, just depending on how many it takes. I just buy extra and go as far as I need to go, and use the rest left over on another job. Halfway done with the day, window cleaning job coming up next. Just finished up and got in the car, trying to dry off in the AC. I got a bit sweaty. It's about 90 degrees, low 90s here in Texas, but it's kind of humid. So next job's 10 minutes away. Shouldn't be too hard. I've cleaned the windows multiple times. I'm expecting it to be about an hour and a half. So let's go finish.